What started out as a video shoot for the business turned into something much more special. Mom and I are both incredibly busy between running the farm, our off-farm jobs, and just life. Finding time to be together is rare. But these meatballs changed it. I thought filming a meatball recipe would be work, but carving out the time turned out to be easier than I thought. The nervousness melted away as soon as we started cooking. We laughed, we made a mess, and we made some incredible meatballs. It's kind of what I'm doing.
They're not for sale though, we're gonna eat these.
No. Food connects us. This Valentine's Day, you don't need a reservation. You just need some good ingredients and someone you love. Grab one of our ground beef cases and make some memories of your own.